Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Verberis, the Apophatic Wilderness. So earlier this year, we reviewed the superb album Hollow by Polish duo Hauntologist, and it had a profound effect on me. There's just something about black metal that fuses in some of that Neurosis-style misery core. It's so appealing. I could listen to Neurosis for days at a time, just feeding off the despair, the gloom, the power. Then along comes this, the second full length from multi-geographic old quartet Verberis, and once again I find myself absorbing a thick and hearty brew of deathspell-informed black metal, swirled with the aforementioned mudcake dissonance. At least three-quarters of the band are Kiwis. Actually, drummer James St. Marat is the stickman for Ulcerate as well. So no idea where they're getting all this rage and rancor considering the pleasant climate of New Zealand. But at any rate, the apophatic wilderness. The word apophatic, by the way, is a heady philosophical concept of defining something by what it is not. Confused? Yes, me too. I don't know. Anyway, it's four lengthy tracks all over the 10-minute mark that pack in processional segments, crawling up Golgotha, hard-charging blast beats, taffy twist dissonance of guitar, and booming vocal rasp from the largely anonymous singer listed here as N.H.
New Hampshire?
I guess.
These songs take the time, often working through slow, chimey intros into bludgeoning brutality that pop and simmer magnificently under Marat's restless, percussive calculus. There's a cinematic quality to them, a slow-building sense of dread with a manner of evil tritones oscillating into the darkness as NH and Marat rage forward. Each epic track is worthy of its own review. But you'd probably rather have an impromptu root canal than have me go that route. The last two songs, Arteries Unto Ruin 1 and 2, are outstanding. The former for its incredible crescendo that rises about the 9-minute mark, all of the wickedness, dissidence, and power spinning out of control to the near point of destroying itself. Marat is a machine. Part 2 erupts from the very start with blast beats underpinned by more blast beats as guitarist David Swales locks in tandem with Marat for some very death spell informed flash rocking bursts of cannon fire, moving into Neurosis-style wind tunnel howls at the midpoint before hitting the gas once again with ridiculous speed and a classical sounding solo that mirrors the tone of a violin.
It's only early May, and the playing field is already getting crowded with all these dark and delicious brews. Even if it's only a side flirt for whenever Marat isn't pounding the skins in Ulcerate, this is a band and an album worth absorbing. So let's play a song. This is Arteries Under Ruin, Part 2.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.